What's going on, Team Review Zone? So today we're taking a look at the brand new RIDGID 2 1/8 inch brad nailer. This is the clean drive. Link is in the description below. We already took a look at the framing nailer. We already took a look at the finishing nailer. Now we're going to take a look at this bad boy. Wait until you see it. You're going to be awestruck. So like I mentioned, we already did the reviews for the framing gun and the finish nailer. Love those guns. I love this just as much. I'm going to put those cards up above this video here for you to check out. So what are you going to get with this? You will get the case, which I really like. You can store that. Don't have to worry about the elements getting in. You're going to get some brad nails. You're going to get 1.25 inch brad nails. I didn't know that. I actually went up and bought some 3/4, but check this out right here. You have all the different sizes. You can go up to 2 1/8. Extremely fast loading action on this nailer here. Now another nice thing about these guns is that you don't have to worry about oiling them. If you forget, you don't have to worry about them rusting out, especially now that it's 99.9% humidity in Ohio. You also got the nice swivel action here on your fitting, so no expense is spared. And you also get a hanging bracket for the gun. It goes left or right. You can put it up, get it out of your way, and you don't have to worry about it anymore. Every one of these guns are built extremely heavy duty, but FYI, it's the only one that comes with an industry lifetime service agreement. So that is huge. Here you got your markings to remind you what sizes you can use in this gun. 18 gauge, it drives from 5/8 of an inch up to 2/8 of an inch. Now over here is your depth adjustment. Very easy to do, left or right, depending on how deep you want to drive those brads. Just simply turn it and you can adjust it to where you want it to be. The thing that all of the RIDGID guns have are the single shot, or what I like to call it, the Rambo semi-automatic fire. All you got to do is push that button in the back, push down on it, twist, and now you can go from the single shot or the multi-shot. Just wait until I show you how fast this thing is, but let's put this in single shot right now. Very controlled. If you want to take your time, you can. If I want to adjust the depth, once again, all I have to do is turn this here, and now I can sink them down a little bit deeper if I want. Awesome. Okay, so I can pull the trigger on the single mode and try to fire it all day long and it won't do anything, but I do want you to hear it when I pull the trigger by itself, so it's more controlled. Absolutely perfect, everyone. All right, let's go Rambo style. We're going to turn this over to semi-automatic. That's what I'm calling it, semi-automatic, because that's what it feels like. Check this out. Now we're really going to put this thing to the test here in the next couple clips, but what they have on here is called clean drive. RIDGID is claiming is that you get 17 times more consecutive perfect drives than the competition. It's crazy. And you wait until you see the next couple clips. You're going to be like, what? So say by chance you're one of the lucky ones that does get one all jammed up in there, just pop the top. No tools needed at all. Clean it out, put it back together. It's ready to go again. Clean drive. I'm telling you, it literally takes 2 seconds. Just push the top back down, boom, you're done. All right, let's try the 1.5 inch right now. We're going to go down through some pine here. What's really nice about this magazine as well is that you can put these nails in. Oh, hold on. I need nails. I'm going to stop chewing my nails. But yeah, that magazine, you can see through it. So if you start running low on nails, boom, you see it, change them out, put some more in there. All right, so we're just going to do a couple single shots here, and then we're going rapid fire. Nice, nice. Let's adjust again. Let's see if we can drive those down a little further. And I love these RIDGID guns. All right, let's just go fast. You know what? Just not fast enough. Listen, this is real time, guys. This is not sped up. We're going to try and see if we can jam this thing up. I mean, seriously, really? I mean, check this thing out, man. It's like one after another. You guys never use the RIDGID nailer. I'm telling you, check it out. I'll put the link in the description below. Perfect. Every single shot. I could not get this thing to jam. And this is not the only time I've used this. I've been messing around with this before we even tried to review it. And it's just awesome, just like all the other guns. It feels great in the hands, got that really nice poly rubber grip, heavy duty build, 18 gauge, so easy to put those nails in. I really like that you can see them. They even give you a couple extra no more pads down here on the bottom, which will last you a very long time depending on use. All of the adjustments are just simple to make. I love it. I'm telling you, check this thing out. That being said, if you like this review, thumbs up, subscribe. Check us out at www.toolreviewzone.com, and we will be back with more videos soon.